What if I told you that in 2005, a pioneering study revealed that eating 100 grams of raw onion each day could significantly reduce fasting glucose levels in type 2 diabetic patients? But here's something much more surprising. Another study found that raw onions did more than only reduce blood sugar. They were able to rebuild the histological structure of damaged hearts and livers in diabetic patients, thereby reversing years of metabolic damage at the cell level. This is not some outlandish health hypothesis. These peer-reviewed scientific studies have big pharma rushing because they demonstrate the effectiveness of this modest culinary staple. Contains strong chemicals that can literally restore your cardiovascular system from the inside out. The IDLA trial showed genuine human patients enjoying considerable glucose reduction, and the PDI and Rini-Vazan studies proved actual tissue regeneration, which is thought to be impossible without costly medical treatments. This is the key aspect that most folks overlook. It's not only about eating onions. Studies show that raw onions are substantially more effective than cooked onions, and there is a special cooking procedure that boosts its therapeutic properties by up to 300%. I'm about to offer you the exact recipe for unlocking these life-saving effects. First, you must comprehend why the form and preparation of this treatment may represent the difference between life and death for your heart. You may question how this translates into real benefits. Regular onion eaters usually report higher energy levels, fewer sugar cravings, and improved blood sugar control. Diabetes isn't the only problem that can be solved by lowering plaque development and LDL cholesterol, or bad cholesterol, which clogs vessels. The same compounds that help with glucose management also help to clean your arteries. This is significant because blocked arteries make it difficult for your heart to pump blood, raising your risk of hypertension, heart attacks, and strokes. By lowering inflammation and improving lipid profiles, onions help to avoid this. Onions are a natural cardiovascular system protector due to their dual function. Since inflammation is the source of so many chronic ailments, let's go over it in greater detail. When your blood sugar levels rise, your body enters an inflammatory state. This inflammation worsens diabetes by destroying blood vessels and altering insulin signaling. Onion, sulfur compounds, and quercetin help to reduce inflammation and promote blood vessel healing. Quercetin is very important in bringing this cycle to a close in terms of blood vessels. It promotes the production of nitric oxide, which relaxes the blood vessels. Inner lining. This relaxation decreases blood pressure, enhances blood flow, and reduces the risk of clot formation. Indeed. According to research, quercetin supplementation may lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, which is wonderful news for patients with diabetes-related hypertension. Let's consider onions' antioxidant potential when your body's antioxidants and free radicals are out of sync. Oxidative stress causes vascular damage and insulin resistance. Quercetin and other flavonoids contained in onions act as shields, scavenging free radicals before they can cause any damage. This preventive impact increases longevity and overall cardiovascular health. As a result, when these effects are combined, onions form a powerful natural therapy for diabetic and cardiovascular issues, lowering blood sugar, lowering inflammation, improving cholesterol, and preserving blood vessels by incorporating onions into your regular diet can help you regain the vigor you deserve. However, how may onions be made more potent? Their efficacy is enhanced when paired with other therapeutic meals. Fortunately, Onions complement a wide range of foods that have been shown to reduce blood sugar and guard the heart. For now, focus on incorporating onions into your meals. We'll discuss those later. To get started, finely slice raw red onions and add them to tacos, salads, or grilled vegetables. Red onions are excellent for medicinal purposes since they contain more quercetin than white or yellow onions. Try softly sautéing onions with extra virgin olive oil if you don't prefer them raw. Many of their beneficial elements are maintained, and their harshness is tempered by this delicate cooking process. You may also want to try pickling onions, which provide a tart bite to dishes while retaining a high antioxidant content. Pickling vinegar can also help control blood sugar levels, which is a win-win situation. Let's look at onions' effects on metabolic health in further depth. Onions contain sulfur molecules that help the body synthesize glutathione, one of the most important antioxidants. In the pancreas, glutathione protects insulin-producing beta cells from oxidative damage. Long-term diabetes therapy requires preserving insulin manufacturing capability, which is supported by this protection. Onions also include prebiotic fibers, which help the healthy flora in your gut. A healthy gut flora has a substantial impact on blood sugar homeostasis and reduced systemic inflammation. This indicates that onions are beneficial to your health in multiple ways, including fostering a healthy gut microbiome. Here is an interesting fact. Onions may help reduce advanced glycation end products. AGEs are poisonous chemicals formed when the body's proteins or lipids bind to an excessive amount of sugar. The body produces glutathione, one of the most important antioxidants, and glutathione protects insulin-producing beta cells in the pancreas from oxidative damage. Long-term diabetes therapy requires preserving insulin manufacturing capability, which is supported by this protection. Onions also include prebiotic fibers, which help the healthy flora in your gut. A healthy gut flora has a substantial impact on blood sugar homeostasis and reduced systemic inflammation. This indicates that onions are beneficial to your health in multiple ways, including fostering a healthy gut microbiome. Here is an interesting fact. Onions may help decrease advanced glycation end products, AGEs, which are harmful compounds produced. When the body's proteins or fats bind to an excessive amount of sugar, it accelerates the aging process and increases arterial stiffness. Onions help slow the aging process by decreasing blood sugar and supplying antioxidants, which keep your arteries flexible and healthy. Consider mixing a few complementary substances with the nutritional benefits of onions, more potent than any one food alone. This combination has the potential to create synergy. However, understanding the principles is required first. Begin with onions. You have the right to feel empowered by health-related knowledge and practical tools. Healing doesn't have to be difficult. Sometimes the best answers are already in your kitchen, hidden in plain sight. As a result, let us decide to incorporate onions into our meals on a regular basis. Onions, whether used as a crisp salad topper, savory sauté, or tart pickle, contain a potent combination of sulfur compounds, antioxidants, and critical minerals that can help you achieve better blood sugar balance and heart health. Next, we'll look at another fantastic substance that increases onions' medicinal powers and pairs nicely with them. But for the time being, focus on include onions in your daily meals. You might be surprised at how quickly you notice benefits in your energy, blood sugar, and overall well-being. Never forget that you deserve to feel powerful again. you're already on the right track with natural, fundamental foods like onions. Continue reading. In the section that follows, we will look at additional therapeutic foods. Let's shift our emphasis now to some more fantastic foods that complement onions and can help you control your blood sugar, unclog your arteries, and protect your heart. Numerous research have been undertaken on these natural substances, and their bioactive constituents offer considerable benefits to anyone looking to reduce diabetes and strengthen their heart. Let we start with cinnamon, a delicious spice that is also high in compounds that boost insulin sensitivity. Cinnamon contains polyphenols, which boost how well your cells respond to insulin, allowing glucose to enter and be used as fuel. This reduces the negative consequences of high blood glucose levels by reducing the quantity of sugar that remains in your blood. According to research, cinnamon can enhance HbA1c, a key sign of long-term glucose control, and lower fasting blood sugar. Additionally, cinnamon's antioxidant properties help to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which contribute to heart disease and arterial damage. Including cinnamon in your diet is a simple step to take. If you're ready to stop speculating and start healing, stir it into your coffee, blend it into smoothies, or sprinkle it over oatmeal. Even a half teaspoon per day will start to show results. Next up comes turmeric, a vivid yellow spice known for its powerful anti-inflammatory ingredient curcumin. Insulin resistance and arterial plaque formation are usually induced by chronic inflammation, which curcumin combats. Turmeric reduces the risk of heart disease by keeping your arteries clear and flexible while also lowering inflammation in your blood vessels. It also benefits the liver, which is responsible for regulating blood sugar levels and removing toxins. The problem is that curcumin is difficult to absorb by itself. Combining turmeric with healthy fats, such as olive oil, can assist to optimize the advantages of curcumin. Turmeric is a safe, all-natural way to help your metabolism and heart by allowing your body to absorb it more effectively.